Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture, we will continue with Unit 1, Poetry Time. Today, we will learn about simile. So, what I want you to do first of all is open page number 4 and read Fun with Words. Once you have read the text on page number 4 and 5, then we will discuss what this is about. So, let's get started. The first thing we will do is see what a simile is. A simile directly compares similarities between two different things. A simile is usually written in a phrase with the help of the words like or as. To make the definition a bit more clear, let us look at the examples. So, keep your book open on page number 4 and let's see the green highlighted group of words. In the first sentence, it was written that the sky was as clear as crystal. In this sentence, can you tell what are the two things that are different? Yes, sky and crystal. These are two completely different things. But there is one similarity between these two things. Can you tell what it is? Yes, it is the word clear. It is showing that the sky is also clear as well as crystal. We already know that crystal is clear. So, the sky is being compared with the word crystal, and it is showing the similarity between these two things, that the sky was as clear as a crystal. Now, let's see another example in which Fatma says, "Oh, so you are as busy as a bee." In this sentence, you means Hadia is being compared with bee, and she is saying that she is as busy as a bee. Let's look at another example which is on page number 5, that you are as smart as a rocket scientist. Here she is comparing Fatma with the rocket scientist, and she is saying that you are as smart as a rocket scientist. Let us look at the last example, that you are quick like a cat. Here they have used the word like to compare Hadia with cat. Now that you know what a simile is, let's come to the activity which is at the bottom of page number 5. What you have to do is make a few similes to show comparison and look up their meanings as well. And the last thing that you have to do is use them in sentences. Let me show you one example that I have used is as brave as a lion. Its meaning is being very brave. And then let us use it in a sentence. The soldier was as brave as a lion. Let me use another example with the word like in it, which is eat like a horse. It means to eat a lot of food. Let's use it in a sentence. She is so thin, yet she eats like a horse. Now, try to make sentence using the word as and like in it. Try making at least 5 words for each word. Thank you.